Hi everyone, today with me I have the Eureka LED headlights. This is an efficient cleaning, powerful motor, cordless vacuum cleaner, and we got it in the color Flex Blue, but there's also red if you like that, and we're going to be putting it together step by step here on camera, and then we're going to be testing it out as well. So let's get started. Alright you guys, this is it put together. Assembly couldn't possibly be easier. What I really like about this vacuum is that it has different little attachments as well that you can use, like this one, and it's so easy to clip on. So let's go do that and take a look at other things that the vacuum has. So my favorite part about this is that it actually becomes smaller like this. It can be handheld like so, and over here of course you can take out all the dust and garbage that gets collected in there, and also you have a dust release leverage here. First you gotta take off the sticker, of course. Let me go do that. There you go, you guys. With a little try and error I got it, so now I can see the filter up here as well and clip it back in whenever I need to clean the filter. It's gonna be easy peasy. This also attaches here, you guys, if you ever have something to clean up very quickly and you don't need the entire brush. But I do like the size of the brush. It is fairly tall, so it is easy to clean. You can also remove this extendable wand over here and make it into a shorter version. Maybe let your kids play around with it a little bit so they can clean the house. But overall, it is so easy to use. Over here, you have the little attachable brush that can come in and out. I really like that. You get two different types, but overall this is a 10 out of 10 from us. Of course we're going to be testing it out and cleaning as much as possible and testing it, but I really like that it bends and folds so you can really get under anything you possibly need. So I gotta go vacuum the house now. Bye guys.